welcome to the fascinating world of traffic signals. Today we got more foundations to drill. Got one right here, got to finish the video, but over there got that one done that y'all will see sooner than this video. Let's hop up on this truck and get it set up and ready to go so we can start drilling out this foundation. All right, we up here. Let's go ahead and just get our auger released. Should be far enough away. Hopefully I ain't got to move the truck. Just about at it. Looks like we got the chain we got to remove. I'm gonna boom down real quick. And pull that chain off. If I noticed it prior to getting up there, I'd have taken it off. All right, now we can drop our auger down. Wet up here. Now we can drop our pin. Auger should be going down. Yeah. Anytime moving the truck with the boom out, you don't want to pull your pads all the way up. So I'm gonna just pull up and it ought to end up at a different angle, getting past that. Just hope I ain't gonna be too far away. Let's check that out. As far down as it goes.
Yeah, the fourth hole is far as it goes.
Really hoping this ain't gonna be in the way from us drilling, or we may have to move a little bit. Come up a little bit. Come my way. Bed of my truck, go find the probe rod and my shovel. All right, so we do got to line up our foundation right on the edge of this sidewalk that's going to come through here for a crossing that's going to go across. They'll take out that median area and it will connect in, and the crosswalk goes that way. They got to tear up some curb and gutter there. On this side, we just got to line up with the sidewalk, side of the crossing, where somebody can press it and start walking across the road. But utilities are always that too, and we have a gas line. Pretty much should be lining up straight here and we shouldn't be hitting it, but want to probe around and make sure. And then a fiber that kind of comes on the side, so we got this little triangle almost we can bring all our stuff into. All right, need to get this slip case off the teeter totter. Oh man. Uneven ground. All right, we've entered the danger zone. Yeah, you can tell where it's coming out from, but hole is still good. I ain't gotta put the slip case in just yet. Thankfully, they're repaving. Cable down a hair. Hold that. Move some of this wattle. Let's get the excavator in. Hey, put your bit back on it. How's it going, man? What is it?
Get that back up, come over and come shoving now for you.
Old concrete's here. Yeah, that'll work.
All I did was ask him to back up a little bit. He backed up and turned it around.
Good. Keep coming. Gonna need the other chute. Watch your scale.
Still bumping.
Oh yeah, still blowing out good. Oh yeah, I hope there wasn't a water line down there. You could lock it right there. Oh yeah, it's dumping in. It's coming in good. Damn, that shit's rushing in. Twisted up improper. Really needs to be spaced out better.
I can get in. You got it from me.
Let me see real quick. Wish we had like a step stool.
I can hang in there.
Well, I'm gonna just make sure my GoPro's recording in case I fall. Cable down! Cable up! Cable up! Hell yeah, I love it. All right, get back so we can pull up on this thing. My nuts don't love it, but everything else good about it. It's a little tight there. All right, we gonna get you back over on it. I'll hold that. Yeah, you can add more water to it. Alright, so we're kind of swinging that way and getting out of the way. Hayden, sonotube please sir, so we can stop letting dirt fall in. No, you're above it. And just give me 1 second, get this kind of in there and a little bit of concrete.
Me?
Not you necessarily, you stay put. Oh yeah. Hey, Aiden, I got this if you can help her get over to it. Oop, don't fall in the hole. Just don't go crazy quick, but I know you can't really control it. You may need to rotate and boom down. Got you. And then unlock it, swing it back out the way. Come on, coming up a couple more inches. Oop.
Yesterday I cleaned the coals out and them things were nasty.
Yeah.
Dropped down 15 degrees.
Skills on too.
Nah, I shouldn't need it.
You're hitting them. You're hitting the rebar.
I don't like this blade anyways. I think I'll get it. Torn up at the top. We start getting conduits. Or well, anchor bolts, I guess, really, truly.
Come on over where I'm got him.
We come back over on it and get some concrete in it.
Now that being said,
Ooh.
mark it down on that side. I'll be honest with you, I think they got one of the best.
They do. I'm with you on that. I think they are. Like the best fast food one. I know their Philly cheesesteaks get up there, but I thought it was like 13 bucks the last time I went with a meal. I may want to pump this shit out. I'll see how much water it is right there. You can hold that. Looking for it to be as square as possible. Mainly the 4-bolt pattern. Looking at it, it's kind of almost ignore the 6th one. But you look at it and you're just kind of lining up with the road the best you can. Sometimes you got to look up and just try to put your hand square on one side and square on the other, and then kind of get your body square with the road and then look into it. But now you know, or you don't know stuff. I got you.
Got it next time? All right, sweet. Good next time.
Yeah.
Definitely ate up some of that water.
Fiber line.
It's easy. Too late, then they're hitting. I'm gonna ask you if that was already found or not.
Sure is now. I don't see the other end, so maybe it was already.
What's that?
Fiber line that was right here.
Well, look right here.
Do what? Did it pull from that though? Is that copper?
Yes.
That is copper. I mean, this looks like copper too.
4 copper cables in this thing. That's it.
I mean, stuff's already kind of broken out of it.
I ain't worried about
I guess we'll just see if somebody pops up. Yeah.
Well, like right here, you can wash out right here.
I fill this up real quick. Yeah, I was about to say just let them wash out on top, but yeah, that's why I was being a little cautious. That and the gas line veers off like.
I mean, that's great right here. I mean, I didn't go, not even.
Yeah, same though. What we hit like a foot deep, and we hit that other copper line that was on top of the gas line. Something like that. That's like 6 inches deep there.
That's why I hit it like first, second scoop. Yeah. I mean, I was like, well, I'm about to find out that bug, and they already hit that line.
All right. Hey, can y'all fix the traffic light It's just taking too long.
I'll fix it tomorrow.
Shut up.